Crazy Chef, big vibe. Let's just start off by saying if you don't know this dessert, if you don't know, well, this could be a dessert or it could be like a breakfast pastry, right? This is that one Jamaican dish that your mom makes, right? That gets you so excited. Like, you're not real Jamaican if you don't know this one dish that every mom makes. They usually make it on Sundays, right? When they cook that rice and peas, they save the coconut trash, and that's what they use to make this. And then they'd serve it to you, right? They'd serve this to you as breakfast in the morning, or you could have it as like a dessert right after dinner. And it's so good. They make it with coconut, cinnamon, a lot of nutmeg, vanilla, butter, right? Flour. It's moist, like it's not like a cake, and it's not really a pudding. It's not a dessert, but it's not like breakfast pastry, but it goes so good for both dinner, dessert. Some people even have it for lunch. I'm telling you, my mom used to make this. She'd make it on Sundays, and you'd be so excited for Monday morning. Have you ever been excited for Monday morning? This could get you so excited for Monday morning. I'm telling you, my mom used to make it all the time, right? You take flour, well, you take coconut trash, right? Sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, a little bit of allspice, a little bit of almond essence, rose water, whatever, spices. You throw it in there, and then I think you're supposed to do the flour. You're supposed to mix it like you'd make a puff pastry. You don't put a lot of baking powder, but it does get baking powder. As I said, it's not like a cake, but it's not like a breakfast pastry either, right? So you put baking powder, but not a lot. Just enough baking powder to get it over that bump, right? And this gets you ready. Like, you'll be so excited for Monday knowing that your mom just made that, right? So you take all those ingredients, you blend them together, right? You blend all your ingredients together. It's not supposed to be too thick. You gotta mix it with water, right? You add your water, couple cups of water, whatever. And the consistency, it can't be too soft and it can't be too hard. It's gotta be right in there. Like, you gotta like get it. It's one of those things that I don't think there's a recipe, right? I think you just gotta like wing it, right? So I don't think there's a recipe. It's one of those get me ready for Monday morning type of vibe. It's one of those things your mom comes up with that's so good, but I don't think there's a recipe. Some people call it Toto. Some people call it coconut cake. What else do they call it? I think they call it something else, but I'm not sure. But I'm telling you that it's so good. You can eat it with cheese too, I think. Like, some people eat it for lunch. Yeah, some people eat for lunch with cheese. So good, right? But anyway, you mix all that together. Back then, they used to bake it, right? They didn't have ovens. They used to put it in a pudding pan. They used to put a piece of sheet metal right on top. They'd put less fire on the bottom. Then they'd put more fire on the top. So it'd be fire on the bottom, fire on the top, if I'm remembering right. I think they call it hell on the bottom, hell on the top, and hallelujah in the middle. And as I'm saying, this would get you ready for Monday. You couldn't wait for Monday morning if you know your mom made this, right? When it bake, it's like a little crispy around the edges, right? When you bake, it's like a crispy, but it's so soft and moist in the middle. And another thing too is like it's not too sweet. You know, like the Christmas cake is sweet, puddings are sweet. This one is like just the right amount of sugar, I think. Yeah, this one is not too sweet. And you could eat it with like your coffee, your tea. Yeah, this one you'd have with your coffee, your tea. It's like a coffee cake, you know? But this one would definitely be the hit. I haven't seen much people make this on the internet, right? But anyway, Crazy Chef, big vibe, right? If you haven't hit that like button yet, give your brother a like. If it's your first time here, check out the channel. Consider give your brother a subscription, right? And I think now they have this hype button, right? So if you hype the video, YouTube show it to more people. So you can hit that hype button. Oh, there's so much things to ask for on this. You can also hit that I think there's a special thing, like if you want to leave a tip. But anyway, check it out. Crazy Chef, big vibe. You know, we do videos like this. We do a lot of we do videos. You know, we do cooking videos. We try to do videos that not everyone's doing. We try to, switch it up a bit. I'm a chef by nature, so I like to cook. Sometimes I like to try weird recipes and stuff. So Crazy Chef, big vibe, you know. Like, share, subscribe, help a brother out, and I'll see you in the comments. Respect.